Have you ever wondered why is it that at the end of the month you always remain broke? You see your Google Pay, your Phone Pay, or whatever app that is. You always are at two digits. 20 rupees? 30 rupees? Isn't that a problem you're facing in your life? Hi, I am Anirudh Bellare here right now to eradicate this problem of yours by giving you the 5 budget systems which you're going to learn. And I mean it, it's going to be very crucial for your life that I myself have started implementing this. And you know what has been the results? You'll get to know here. Let's start. Now, what is this zero budget? What is this zero? Come on, am I crazy here? I'm talking about budget and this is zero over here. It's not the zero you're thinking about what is taught in your school. This zero budget over here. Let's understand what is the simple meaning of budget. Budget is nothing but your income minus your expenses will give you what is remaining. Right? There is nothing. Now the zero budget. What does this talk about? This tells you that suppose I need to do shopping for my clothing. This coat over here, 2000 rupees. At the starting of the month when my salary comes in, I know I am going to buy this coat, 2000 rupees. Yes, that's it, not more, not less. It is very difficult to follow this, but the day you memorize it and print it in your mind is the day when you will start executing this. And understand, this is the most powerful thing you can do for yourself because you are in this world, you are living in this world, and you only live once. Understand that. It's not a joke. You need to know how to balance your budget, balance your life, and balance everything. The zero budget is nothing but it talks about how you keep your mind very clear and clean that at the first of the month I need to buy a clothing worth 2000 rupees. Just as an example. I'll give you an example. There's this person named Chintan whom I knew. This Chintan guy, his earning is nothing but it's in 10,000 rupees. But wait, 10,000 rupees is a huge amount when it comes to somebody who has just started working in an office. I mind it, 10,000 rupees. Very huge amount. Now look, 10,000 rupees. This is first salary. What do you think a normal person will do in their first salary? 10,000 rupees. I will go buy this A, B, C, D, E, F. By the end of the month, I am not in 20 rupees balance. I am broke. I am finished. Again, I need to go and call my parents. Hello, Amma, please transfer some money into my account. Instead of all this, there's one solution you can do with this zero budget thing. 2000 rupees. Before the salary is credited, you know your want is to buy a clothing. Just go buy it. 2000 rupees. Now the remaining 8000 rupees, I will guide you on how you go through your next steps. Let's go on to the second method of the budgeting way. Now what is this I've written here? 50, 30, 20. What? 50 plus 30 plus 20 is 100. What is this? I'm telling some joke. No. I'm not telling joke and all. You see, this is nothing but a needs, a wants and an investments calculator. Your needs, your wants and your investments. Now what is this? Chintan, he has earned 10,000 rupees. And what did I say about zero budget? You keep it in your mind. You print it in your mind that oh, salary has come. I want to buy a coat. Why? Because it makes me look confident. That's the thought of Chintan, not mine. I'm just giving an example. Now, 10,000 was his salary. 2,000 went in clothing. Okay, fine. What does that come into? That comes into wants. Now the remaining 8,000 rupees, obviously now assuming he's staying in a different state or city other than where his parents live. Now he has to go outside, he has to eat food, he has to pay rent. Say his rent is around 2000 rupees. I know it's non-practical. In today's day, 2000 rupees, nobody will give you their house and all. But say, this is example, okay? You should understand, please. First video, example, Chintan, 10,000, 8,000, 2,000. 2,000 is his house rent. Again, 2000 is his what? Say food rent, travel rent, everything comes in 4,000. Now, from that 8,000, 4,000 is gone. 4,000 gone. Right? Simple maths. He got 10,000, he spent 2,000 for his clothing, remained 8,000, 4,000 went for his wants. Now say there's some miscellaneous expenses, again say some 2,000 went. Now that 2,000 rupees which he's having at the middle of the month, I know it's very difficult for people like us, 20-year-old, we want to spend, hey, I've earned right now, we need to spend. But wait, you need to train your brain. Who's the biggest master in your life? Do you want to know? Do you want to know the biggest master in your life? It's nothing but your brain. The way it controls you, nobody can control you. Nobody can control you, I'm telling you. Your parents may tell you something, your friends may tell you something, but suno sabki, karo man ki. What is this? It's nothing but listen to everyone, do what you want. But you are very well understanding, this Chintan guy is very well understanding that he has to invest this amount. Now, where will he invest? Whatever he finds interesting. Wherever he feels that, okay, this 2,000 can make returns and work for itself. Now, how he invests this, whether he puts in what gold, silver, copper, aluminium, that I'm not going to tell you that. That he has to do research and find. But the ultimate way whereby you can learn is to make that 2,000 rupees work for you. And if Chintan is smart, he will make this 2,000 rupees work for him. I know it's a small amount. I really know it's a small amount. But understand, every big step always starts with a small step. You want to reach Mount Everest? You need to start climbing your house step first. What? House step, Mount Everest is telling nothing like that. You learn to do small steps. When your brain is confident, you can go to the big step. Understood? This is the second example. Now third way. Third way is nothing but the envelope method. Have you ever seen that your mother, she puts money in the envelope and goes to the post office and sends it to one of her aunt or somebody who's in a different state or city? Have you ever thought why does she do that? Go and ask your mom. See what she tells. Very normal. Why do people use envelope? Envelope is nothing but you put the remaining amount in it and you seal it. Again the same thought. I'm putting money in an envelope. Why? It will be useful for you. This is one of the most crucial budgeting system whereby Chintan has earned that 10,000 rupees. I know I gave you that example of 50, 30, 20. But in the envelope method, he keeps that money in an envelope. Now see, a bank account is where your money is credited. But an envelope is a physical envelope. You can get an envelope anywhere in the market. You go buy an envelope and see. It has an opened cover where you put your money in it and then you seal it and you keep it. You never know when this envelope will be useful for you. I'm telling you, it's very, very crucial for you to understand that envelope can save life. How can it save life? No, I'm not cracking any joke here. It can really save your life. If suppose Chintan was riding a bike, now he had an accident. I know with 2,000 rupees no hospital is going to save you, but I'm just giving you an example. That 2,000 rupees, because he had saved on his first salary, he doesn't have to go and ask people. Isn't this a bulb-on moment for you? Didn't you think? Otherwise you have to go and talk to your parents and say, "Arey mummy, I want some more money." Why? Why do all of that? Train your brain. This brain, it can get lost in many ways. You need to bring it to a straight track. And this is why envelope method is very crucial for you. A fourth one. Fourth one is nothing but a no budget. Again the same thing. What this guy is teaching about budget, now suddenly he's telling you no budget. What no budget means? No budget. Then what is the point of this video? Nothing like that and all. See, no budget. What is this no budget? No budget is, again you're earning that Chintan is earning that 10,000 rupees. It's almost equivalent to zero budget, whereby you keep track of where the money is going where. Here, it's similar. You're keeping money in your envelope. See, it's nothing but an interrelation of all these four things. These four 4 budget systems till now are all interrelated. It has just given you an option. Think about it. Somebody here is teaching you how to budget. Ultimately, it's your wish, no? You are only going to sit and do budgeting for your own finances. If you are not going to budget, who's going to budget? Who? Your mom will come and budget for you? No. Your dad will come and budget for you? No. It's your life. See, I'm a 20-year-old. I understand this issue of yours. And that's why I'm telling it to you. I have nothing to lose here. I want the best for you. And understand, I'm not doing any role play here or nobody's asking me to do this. I want you to succeed. And this is the biggest understanding I want to give you. Now look at this. The last one. PYF. No, it's not some funny word and all. PYF is nothing but pay yourself first. I gave you Chintan's example. I told you about the envelope method, the 50-30-20 rule, the needs, wants, investment rule. Oh, fine. I have told you I'm happy. I have told you I'm happy that you also understood. Pay yourself first is what? Now Chintan, that was an example I gave you. Again say, Chintan is there. He got 10,000 rupees. But now, he's taken a different approach. Why not? When the salary is credited to my account, that's when the money automatically goes to my investments account. Isn't it possible? What do you think? In today's day when AI automation and everything is there, you think what I'm telling you is not possible? That when your money will come to your account, you cannot go and put it in your other bank account and invest it? Absolutely possible, my friend. It's absolutely possible and you can do it. It's not a joke. You can actually do it. There is a way. There are so many ways by which you can do this. Now understand, all these 5 things that I've taught you, it's a matter of choice. Ultimately, who's going to succeed in their life? It's you, right? I am here, I'm teaching you all of this. You can have a look. See, you can have a look at this. You can choose whatever you want. But my intention for you was to teach you that there are 5 types of budgeting system and you can use whatever you want in your life. I want to give you maximum value and maximum investment ideas. Investment ideas in the sense, by the way, you can train your brain. Because the brain is the most important thing with you right now as a 20-year-old. And I can feel this emotion of yours. Why? Because the person who's teaching you is the person who's going to implement this in his life as well. And I'm really thankful that you stayed till the end of this video and made a note about these 5 budgeting types. If you really like this video, the only way you can help me is by helping yourself. I know a lot of people say subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. That's fine. But these 5 budgeting systems, you use any one of them. Be consistent in whatever you do. See, it's easy for me to tell. Unless something very crucial happens in your life, you won't understand. And I have gone through it. I know the pain. I don't want you to repeat that. And that's why I'm teaching you all of this. If you really feel this video has given you worth of your time, because I know how important your time is. You might have come home from office. You could have seen a web series. You could have seen a TV. You could have seen whatever you want. But you chose to see my video. Is the biggest smile that I can give to you. I might be a no one to you. But still, I value you a lot. Because I know the more I help you, the more I feel happy. I have nothing to lose here. I have nothing to win here. I am here just to teach you and to be happy that whatever I have learned in my life, I can give it back to you as a learning. Thank you so much. If you really like this video, the only thing you can do for me, subscribing is your choice. If you really feel this is worth, you can subscribe it as well. It's not a force, it's your wish. But the only request I can give from my side is please share this video. I know there are a lot of people who are facing problem with their budgeting systems. They get their 10,000 rupees and they're like, 10,000 rupees, no, what big deal and all, I will spend it like this. But no, it is a very crucial learning. If you really feel that, and if you really feel you can help me and yourself, please do this. Thank you so much. Sanirudh Bellare from my side, signing off.